Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog. If your workshop always feels messy no matter how many times you clean it, the problem is not your effort, it's your system. Tools pile up, small parts disappear, and your workbench slowly turns into storage instead of a workspace. And the more clutter builds, the harder it becomes to stay organized. But here's the good news. You don't need a full renovation or expensive setup to fix this. In fact, with just 5 simple tools, you can completely change how your workshop works, making it cleaner, faster, and far more efficient. The first tool that changes everything is a pegboard. This is one of the simplest upgrades, but also one of the most powerful. When tools are hidden in drawers or boxes, you waste time searching for them and often forget where they belong. A pegboard solves that instantly by putting everything in clear view. Each tool gets its own spot on the wall, which not only makes it easy to grab, but also makes it obvious where it should go back. Over time, this builds a natural habit of organization without extra effort. The second essential is a set of storage bins or containers for small items. Screws, nails, drill bits, and fittings are often the biggest source of clutter because they spread everywhere. Without a system, they mix together and become frustrating to deal with. Simple bins fix this problem by grouping similar items in one place. When you can see and access everything quickly, your workflow becomes smoother and more efficient. If you're finding this helpful, take a moment to subscribe to Craft Catalog. We focus on practical ideas that help you improve your workspace and make your projects easier and more enjoyable. The third tool is a wall-mounted shelf. Many workshops feel crowded because everything is sitting on the workbench, but your workbench should be for working, not for storage. A sturdy shelf moves larger tools and materials up and out of the way, freeing your main surface. This single change can make your workspace feel twice as big and far more comfortable to use. The fourth tool is a simple labeling system. It may seem like a small detail, but it makes a huge difference over time. Labels remove guesswork. Instead of opening multiple containers to find what you need, everything is clearly marked and easy to locate. More importantly, labels help maintain organization. When everything has a name, it's much easier to keep things in the right place. The fifth and final tool is a rolling cart or mobile storage unit. One of the biggest inefficiencies in a workshop is constantly walking back and forth to grab tools. A mobile cart keeps your most used items close to you and moves with your workflow. Whether you're working on a bench, a table, or another area, your tools stay within reach, saving time and effort. What makes these 5 tools so effective is how they work together as a system. The pegboard handles visibility and access. The bins control small item clutter. The shelves free up space. The labels create clarity. And the rolling cart adds flexibility. Together, they turn a chaotic workshop into an organized, functional environment. Another important idea is starting simple. Many people delay organizing because they think they need the perfect setup. But the truth is, organization doesn't come from complexity. It comes from consistency. Even a basic system, when used regularly, is more effective than a complicated setup that's hard to maintain. As you begin applying these ideas, you'll notice something interesting. Your workflow becomes smoother. You spend less time searching and more time working. Projects become easier, and your workspace starts to feel more enjoyable instead of stressful. If you've made it this far, take a moment to like the video and tell us which of these tools you would start with. Your feedback helps us create more content that matches your needs. Another benefit of this approach is that it grows with you. As your workshop expands, you can add more bins, extend your pegboard, or install additional shelves without changing the system. This makes it a long-term solution that adapts as your needs change. Lighting and layout also play a supporting role. Keeping your most used tools within reach and ensuring your workspace is well lit improves both efficiency and safety. Small adjustments like these, combined with the right tools, create a workshop that feels professional and easy to use. By the end of this video, it should be clear that organizing your workshop is not about having more tools. It's about using the right ones in a smarter way. With just 5 essential tools, you can create a space that is clean, efficient, and ready for any project. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to Craft Catalog for more practical ideas, smart setups, and simple solutions that help you build a better workspace. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps you take the first step toward a more organized and productive workshop. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.